Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 15th of September 2020 and time is 10:30 am. So traders, now coming on to our watch list. Today I am having Sun Pharma in my watch list. Now nothing can lose in the trade. Okay traders, now let me show you the logic which I am using in Sun Pharma. So coming on to the NSE site. Okay traders, and as you can see here, Nifty 50 is going upwards with a 0.36 percentage. Okay, it is positive. Now coming on to the sectoral indices. Here we will see the sector which is performing best and which is taking Nifty 50 upwards. Okay, so by seeing here you can see that Nifty Pharma is taking the Nifty upwards, which is positive. Okay, so and no one is more than the pharma sector, so we choose the Sun Pharma, which is in Nifty 50 stocks and also in the pharma sector. Okay trader, but the thing is that it has already taken a good momentum in the upside, so there are some chances that it not go more upside, but I am waiting for any trade to take here. If we don't get any trade in this, we will be trading in BANKNIFTY. So traders, when I'll get any opportunity, I will update you. So traders, now I'm placing a limit order. I want to buy Sun Pharma at price near this, and then my target will be some points below this resistance, and my stop loss will be here. So I'm placing a limit order in Sun Pharma. Let's see if it gets executed or not. So it is now placed, and it is about to execute. Let's see what happens here. It is spending time near our limit order. Okay, no problem at all. Okay, so it got triggered. Traders, I am in confusion that if it will go upward now or not. Let me show you why I am thinking like this. As you can see here traders, it has taken a good momentum from morning and has already gone up with many points. So there are some chances that it now spend some time in the sideways, or it might come back, or there are some chances that it also can go upwards. So I'm thinking that it may take retracement or get a reversal from R2. So my target is some points below R2 and my stop loss is this. And also I have taken 400 quantities. So let's see what happens. Our target and stop loss is already predefined, already decided, so we have no worries about that. Either we will accept the profit or loss. So traders, now I'm pausing the video. When I'll get any profit or stop loss get triggered, I'll update you. So traders, as you can see here, I stop loss got hit. I accept my mistake. The trading setup was totally wrong. As I already told you that the price was already gained a good momentum and there were chances that profit booking can come, and you peoples and you traders can see here. Okay, so mistake accepted. Now calculate our today's loss. So our quantities were 400 and our stop loss point was 3.10. So our today's loss is 1240 rupees. So traders, I hope you learned something from my today's mistake and enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.